This is a WAC Smart fan, and it is in the matte black. This is a 3-blade fan. It's an indoor or outdoor fan, so you have a lot of flexibility with this. This is mounted on a pole, and you can choose different lengths to suit your installation. You do want to make sure that you don't put it too high, because if it's closer to the people that are in the space, it's going to be more effective. This is the option with the light, and it does have a remote control as well. This is the remote control for the fan. This is actually a smart fan. You can use their smartphone to connect this, but we actually haven't done that because it's just in our outside space. So although we do use automations in our home, it's not a big priority for us. You can see here we have the fan button off and on. We have the down and up button for the different speeds. You also have the button for the light, brighter, and darker, and this is the button to reverse the direction of the fan. Let's check out some of the speeds. So this can get up to a pretty good speed. And this is the max speed. And let's get under it and see what kind of airflow we're getting. Really quite good, actually. And let's turn on the light while we're down here. We're really happy with our choice in fan, and it looks great in our outdoor space. We love the modern, sleek look.